Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Today, we're talking about aliases in SQL, an easy yet powerful way to make your queries more readable and efficient. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. An alias in SQL is a temporary name you give to a table or a column, making your code and your results easier to understand. An alias disappears after the query is executed. In other words, it does not persist in the database. You can create aliases using the keyword as, but the keyword is optional. Aliases bring several benefits. First, it simplifies code writing in that we no longer need to always write out the full table names or column names. As a result, it makes the code more understandable, which means debugging is easier, and code maintenance is more streamlined. Let's look at some examples. In this query, we're renaming the column first_name to name and salary to income. This makes the output more user-friendly, especially when sharing results with others. See how the column names in the results are now name and income. That's the power of aliases. Aliases are also handy for tables. Here, we've shortened employees to E and departments to D. When we compare with the SQL code that does not use table aliases, we see that aliases keep our query clean and make it easier to follow. That's it. Use aliases to simplify your SQL queries and make your results more readable. Give it a try in your next query. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.